Hey everyone, and welcome to Dayum. Some houses are designed to keep out thieves and robbers. Others are meant to keep out zombies and aliens. Yes, literally. Let's face it, if you're worried that zombies creatures might take over the world, then you'd probably need to find a safe place to stay while all hell breaks loose. You wouldn't need to look too far though, because we've got just the perfect home for you. Today, we're going to visit one of the safest houses in the world. Join us as we go deep into Elon Musk's Cyberhouse bunker. Before we start, smash the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Who is Elon Musk? If you keep up with the news or watched my previous video, you will know just who Elon Musk is. But if you don't, it's okay. So make sure you check it out after this one, and here's a bit of all you need to know about the new age enigma, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the CEO and co-founder of Tesla, Neuralink, and the CEO, chief designer, and founder of SpaceX. Tesla is a line of electronic motors. Tesla also produces energy storage devices, automobile accessories, and merchandise. Space Exploration Technologies, SpaceX, aims to make space exploration more accessible and affordable. Neuralink is developing brain-machine interface devices to help individuals with paralysis and potentially allow users to interact with their computers and mobile devices mentally. A man pioneering all these innovative green technologies, you shouldn't be surprised how his name has become associated with the infamous Cyberhouse bunker. Let's find out. You're probably wondering, what is the Cyberhouse and what does it look like? We're going to be taking a private tour in a minute, but before we do, let's learn a little about the house we're going to explore. Remember when Elon Musk unveiled his $40,000 Cybertruck late last year? It looked like something from an apocalyptic sci-fi movie, and while his car looked like it was plucked straight out of a zombie highway, it did more than arouse the interest of Tesla fans that share the same ideals. It caused Russian lead architect Alex Wizhevsky to come up with a zombie-proof bunker to match. The architect's firm, located in St. Petersburg, decided that it wouldn't be so bad to create a modern house that could shield you from just about anything. As such, the Elon Musk Cyberhouse, modeled after the Cybertruck, was born. But what does the Cyberhouse look like, and why has it gained so much attention over the last few months? It's time to find out. The Elon Musk Cyberhouse is a 7,500 square foot house designed to be located in the middle of a wasteland, away from civilization. Elon Musk Cyberhouse offers about 3,230 square feet of living space. Just at the entrance to the Cyberhouse, you will spot the Elon Musk Cybertruck. Of course, what better car to drive to and in your Elon Musk Cyberhouse than an Elon Musk Cybertruck? From a few miles out, you can see thick concrete walls, the metallic lines on the armored windows, the majestic military-grade doors. The bunker is split into 3 levels, but you might not be able to tell that much from the outside beyond the sharp angular build of the Cyberhouse that makes you think of the Elon Musk Cybertruck. Want to see what the Cyberhouse looks like on the inside? Hop into your Cybertruck and let's explore what lays between the impenetrable walls of this magnificent fortress. Inside Elon Musk's Cyberhouse bunker, drive right through the center of the bunker and you've reached through the garage doors and into the first of the bunker levels. This level is the main level of the bunker. It is essentially the living area where you can sit down, relax, get cozy and warm, and listen to J.P. Sachs and Maren Morris if the world was ending, while the world crashes down around and about you. You certainly have nothing to worry about. The walls, as you know, are made of concrete and incredibly thick and non-penetrable. The east end of the main level of the Cyberhouse has 2 bedrooms. Each bedroom here has an adjoining bathroom. In addition, there's a large communal bathroom between the 2 bedrooms with a door that leads outside the Cyberhouse. This communal bathroom has a decontamination shower that can help you wash off extreme radiation levels in the case of a nuclear attack. The west side of the main level is similar but subtly different. Walk through this side of the main story and you'll spot 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom is designed to hold 2 people, and it comes with adjoining bathrooms. So with 2 people in each room, you have a maximum of 10 in the Cyberhouse. Unless you have a big family though, we advise that you keep the numbers down to 7 or 8. Up north, you'll spot the house's atrium. atrium, an aesthetic wonder to keep your mind off the gloom. It holds the lounge, the dining, and the kitchen. The lower level. Cruise right back into your Cybertruck and hop on the platform elevator. It's time to head down to the most secure place in the Cyberhouse, the bunker. If everything is relatively okay, you can still afford to hang out with your cyber housemates at the atrium. But if things get terrible, it's time to pack your things and head down here. The bunker is a secure room filled with emergency food and essential medical supplies. No, you aren't likely to find chicken and fries here. Instead, it would be best if you keep your eyes out for freeze-dried and canned foods. They last longer, and if the apocalypse is to go on for a few days, you can be sure to stand the test of time. That is, before you're forced to drive out in your Cybertruck and start hunting for gazelles and rodents. Emergency food in this room can't come for cheap. You're generally looking at about $5,000 to keep you afloat for 90 days. That's if you're 10 in the bunker. Otherwise, it should last a little longer. Medical supplies like vaccines, insulin, first aid, and probably anti-zombie shots are also found here. Unfortunately, they cost way more than the food. Way more than the Cyberhouse itself if you're serious about surviving the zombie apocalypse. With all that food in the bunker, it's interestingly pleasant, but it's not all fun and games. The northeast side houses the house's state-of-the-art security systems. The room is packed with high-tech monitors and computers that give visual feedback from the security cameras connected strategically about and around the Elon Musk Cyberhouse. The bunker also holds the generator, an alternate power supply if the solar panels fail or are destroyed. Fail, not likely. They are Tesla panels after all, and you can bet that they would most likely be destroyed instead during the zombie invasion. You can find the generator on the southeast side of the bunker. Windmills outside the Cyberhouse can also be destroyed during a heavy storm, so a generator is quite essential. Oh, and did you know that it would cost you between $1.3 to $2.3 million to power your Elon Musk Cyberhouse bunker? You'll have a lot of time to think about it after you've climbed back into your Cybertruck on the platform elevator. It's about time we visited the topmost level anyway, the terrace, the upper level. Those Tesla solar panels supposed to power the Elon Musk Cyberhouse are found on the house's rooftop just above the terrace. These panels cost more than a fourth of the house's worth, about $220,000. The Elon Musk Cyberhouse roof is entirely covered with these dynamic solar panels on the upper level. The solar panel top slides open to reveal a beautiful post-apocalyptic sky. Yes, the stars can still be beautiful at night, and you can sit on one of the lunch chairs on the terrace to enjoy the late afternoon sun. Here's my favorite part. In the spirit of the Cyberhouse being completely self-reliant, you have a space on the terrace where you can grow your food. There's an efficient system that allows you to filter water to rinse your produce. How cool is that? What would happen if you were in the bunker and completely cut off from the rest of the world? Say you had to live in the Elon Musk Cyberhouse for a few months. Would you survive? The most likely answer is yes. You have enough food to last you 90 days. If you know anything about farming, you can grow your own food. You can survive a nuclear attack and enjoy sane evenings while the world falls to ruins. I'm not sure that you'll survive anything, but as far as you know, the odds are stacked in your favor. How much does an Elon Musk Cyberhouse bunker cost? Surviving a zombie apocalypse is a costly business, and if you're thinking of buying yourself an Elon Musk Cyberhouse bunker in a few years, you might want to start saving up now. The Elon Musk Cyberhouse bunker is projected to cost just about $865,000. A fully upgraded Cyberhouse would go for approximately $1 million. Should you be scared of the future? Should you save up all you have to get a Cyberhouse? What inspired Alex Wizhevsky to design a Cyberhouse? Is the world on the verge of extinction? Should we be worried about zombies and aliens showing up on our planet anytime soon? Maybe, maybe not. It helps to be prepared anyway. Alex Wizhevsky, when asked about the reason for his design, revealed that his focus was not precisely on creating a zombie-proof house, though though he admits that indeed he thought that a fortress for zombie apocalypse survivors wouldn't be a bad idea. Primarily, he wanted to create a self-sufficient space that guaranteed maximum safety. Yes, the potential owners may not be any member of the Avengers, but he could be someone with a severe need for protection and privacy. He also stated that other potential owners might not require military-grade security, but the design and autonomy of the Cyberhouse bunker will serve them perfectly. Now, I know that most of you are probably wondering, has a cyber bunker house been built? Unfortunately, the answer is no. The Cyberhouse still only exists as a theoretical design. We can be sure of one thing though. In a few years from now, the world will sprout some of the most aesthetically appealing, self-sufficient, and secure places it's ever seen. While you are here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. Then like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new content. What's your most exciting part of Elon Musk's Cyberhouse bunker? See you in the next one.